Get him! That's what we've been waiting for right here.
I'm gonna put the boom boom in the bye bye.
So when we got to the pond that morning, there was 400 to 500 geese on the water. Instead of waiting for them to get off, we decided to go ahead and make the call of getting them off the water. So we drove a truck down there, bumped all the geese off, and quickly got set up. Rewind to the previous week, we got to the pond and there was still ice on the water, and we watched the geese sit there until about 1 o'clock. Now that particular morning, it was cold and sunny, and the geese were more or less just soaking up the sunshine. So on this particular morning, we decided to bump them off. We knew that later in the day, the weather was going to turn for the worse, but better for us. It was going to be snow. It was going to be cloudy. It was a good possibility that these geese would get up anyways early, go feed, and then come back to loaf and get a drink of water. So went ahead and made the call since it's the last day of the season. This wasn't all the birds in the area that were roosted. Went ahead and bumped them off, got set up, and it ended up working for us in the end.
Back. Was that same group?
Well, actually, I think it was the Great Calling that brought him over.
So originally when we set up, our idea was to side shoot them. We had a good east wind, but as you can see in this video, the first group wanted to land on the head of that J, on the very left end, very east end of where we were. After that first group, we shot into them and then went ahead and got out there and moved the decoys and created your classic U shape. Now, the reason we were able to move the decoys from the J to the classic U shape was because with the weather front that was moving in,
BirdBath meteorology here. We got some precipitation coming down in the form of snow.
actually switched from the east to northeast wind. So with that new north to northeast wind, we were able to create that classic U shape and get the wind at our back and get the geese to land in front of us. And you can see in this video that big groups of geese landed right in the pocket, no more than 25 yards from us.
Yeah, they're dropping. That's what we've been waiting for right here. Wait, wait, wait. Okay. Go!
feather or something? On the ice, it was like feather. Rose.
Good dog. Good dog. Girl.
That was a huge group. Come on, cat. Come on, cat. Here. Come on, cat. Come. Here they come. Let's get him, get him, get him! Whoa!
Dude, I didn't see them come in. I just
Yeah. And Dan's like, there's a whole bunch out there. I peeked over, I was like, oh yeah, let's get those. Dan saw the last group sitting on the water, so we decided to pull up and shoot those. We didn't let any leave off that water. Snow's starting to pick up now. When we got here, there was hardly, I don't think there was any snow on the ground when we got here, but now there's,
Not even snowing yet.
it's pretty much white covered now.
What's up, buddy?
That's no.
Oh, two.
Two. Get him! Thought I heard something. Get him! All right, we just shot our 7-man limit here in Missouri. It's snowing pretty good now, so we're gonna get these geese stacked up and get a picture. Then we'll flip it this way. Oh, I just ripped a huge hole. Well, glad it's the end of the season.
Hell of a hunt. Awesome conditions.